We're looking for Brie, but we can't find her. Where are we going?
I was found. This show is calling my name. Hi, Mom. Yeah. Alright. Bye-bye. Love you too.
Wait. Wait. Let's ditch. Let's go. We're getting crazy.
Are about to scare the bejeebers out of them.
Stop. Tiara, we did not scare the bejeebers out of them. Are you ready, Tiara?
Yes.
Open your eyes.
Oh.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my.
Do you want my game?
What's wrong? What's wrong, sweetie? Matt, share. Your sister needs a turn. Matt, no.
I wanna play. I'm winning. I won. I don't get it. You press yes and you press B.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark.
Brie and Tiara ran away, so now we're gonna go find them. Do you think they went in there? Let's go.
Hey,
Hey,
hey.
we were looking all over for you.
Did I get you? I hit you so well. What?
We just
You can't
calm down there.
You jerk faces.
That's not okay.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey.
Hey,
it's not.
that's not okay.
But I just wanted to say that while we were gonna play, I know it's not okay, but I just came to say that it's okay.
Stay off of drugs. Drugs are bad. Drugs make you crazy. I'm 18 years old.
And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and get real high and loud. Sit to the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I say,
There they go.
baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms.
Do you think they're in here?
I don't think they're in here. I don't know where they are. They're in Forever 21. I think I know. Follow me.
I found them.
What did I say?
We spotted them. Run before they get away. Faster. What is this again?
We're picking out an outfit for each other. Yeah.
We found an outfit. It looks like this.
That's okay.
It's very Tiara.
Can't know what we chose for them.
What do you choose?
I wanted to know some more. I'm gonna put Matt in this one, and I think Luke in this one, because when I think of Luke, I think of kind of tropical, you know? Paul, I give you this. It's lit. Oh, this is for you. What's this? Oh, this is not. And then Matt has to wear sushi. And then here's this belt. This color. It's autumn, my dude.
We ran away.
Go. I see them. Keep going.
Please.
They're back there somewhere.
I just ran away from all my friends. Now we wait. Oh,
They're out there somewhere. I see them. I see them. They circle. They went the other way.
Call from +1.
Hi, Matt.
Where are you? Tell me now.
Did you not get my snap?
I didn't look at my snap.
Well, maybe you should. I
You
think
should look at my snap. Did you
Yeah.
snap me?
I did snap you something.
Okay, goodbye.
By the way, wait, one more thing. I was gonna tell him where we were, but he hung up. Well, pranksters think they can go away. Okay, we're gonna try and take pictures of Brie without her knowing. We gotta be sneaky.
Where are you? I don't know where we are. Where are you? Are you still in Macy's? Oh, you're not in Macy's anymore.
Sir, I'm serious. You cannot have phones out in Macy's. Hey, Tiara, where did you go?
I'm winning that one. Bye.
No. Oh my gosh. Well, I was like, where are you? And she was like, I'm winning, that's what. Which doesn't make grammatical sense, but respect, man.
If she called Brie to find her location, she's disqualified.
My favorite hobby just happens to be winning. And so is Luke's. You freak! Did you use the telephone to find out her location?
No, she called me.
If P implies Q, Q implies R, and P implies R. Law of syllogism.
because she introduced me to the office.
Are you ready?
Does it say beats the...
Let's reveal it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
It's not...
Oh my god.
Awesome.